Ngiyakuzwa ke webaba Sengwayo. Uthini? Uthi umbaba umfuni qobo.
Yazi ke.
Hey madoda.
Yabona iMbawe angilifuni ngempela angilifuni. La ala elokushini. Ngakakhesha ngizowakhipha wonke. Okula ezwelisha ngizokukhipha konke. Uma ngabe ungezwe nophakela umthandazo. Bayahluleka ukuthi bayenze lento.
Yeah.
Hayi mina ngiyabangena.
Umubili yabo. Abuja my hometown. Abuja Abuja Womahlalela.
Hayibo.
Yo namfana. Oba nomahlalela.
Ngiyaphila brothers.
Singomahlalela thina.
Are you guys fine?
Ungazosedelela maqeda uthi ke nasi.
Yitho mahlalela.
Yitho mahlalela.
You know what guys? As an African brother, I expect love because I give love.
Manake wo. Ngalinge nje uthi African.
Yeah.
Thina siyama African, singama South African. Thina singumsinsi okuzimilela la, not Africa.
Okay, Msinsi. I don't understand what Msinsi is, but you are Msinsi, it's fine. Msinsi. No, I wasn't fighting with you guys. What's going on?
Senga uyamuzwa nangilo mfana yasedelela.
Ubani lobiza thina ngomahlalela mfana?
No, because I saw you guys seated down, I greeted you guys because the skin is too black. I don't want to pass and then act like I did not see you because you are too black. This one, look at him. He look like Kiwi. No, Kiwi, the brand.
Usungithinta wena. Hibo.
Come on, look at him. Too black. Too black. So if I pass, it will be like me, I'm ignoring you guys.
Wesengwayo wasedelela umuntu. Uthi mina ngimnyama njengekiwi. Uthi wena umnyama udlula yena. Ezweni lethu.
Brother, don't fight. You see this one? I love him so much. Even the wife of this guy came to me. The wife of this guy.
Yeah.
Came to me and offered me what? Cake. And the wife wanted me to do the deed. Me, I did not do the deed.
Khuluma baba yini?
Manake Sengwayo lalela. Uyabona ku obvious. Lento obvious. Uwife umfazi wakho.
Yeah.
Khona la ngamzwanga ke khona ke la sethi kona I do the deed. Yabona manje sethi do the deed.
Yeah.
Do the deed. Deed. Ha. Khona kwaziyo ngomfazi wakho lo. Lo kukhona kwaziyo ngomfazi wakho lo.
Why is he pointing?
Lo. Wazokukhulu kakhulu kumfazi wakho lo.
I don't know why he's pointing.
Wazokukhulu kumfazi wakho lo.
Why is this guy
Wazi
pointing?
kakhulu ke kubakhulu.
This guy is pointing.
Kumaqhibi.
Lo.
Umaqhibi ngimthatha nje manje.
Lo. Wazokukhulu lo. Kodwa ke ngiyakubona ungacasuki kakhulu wena Sengwayo. Ngiyakwazi mina masucasuki. Lalela ke awushaya nayo le ngoma le oyishaya mangabe ubona iZimbabwe ke ufuna ukulibulala nya. Lalela. Ithini?
Kill Zimbabwe. Hey, kill Zimbabwe. Hey, kill Zimbabwe.
Wenzani? Brothers, wenzani? Why are you angry?
Usingiselelani thina ngoba phela sifuna ukubulala wena siculela wena.
Because the song is an African song. It gives that brotherhood. You must come together, sing it together.
Asiyo ama-African thina singama-South African.
If we are like that, you sing a good song, African Zulu song, it makes you have gushy bumps. Me, I got gushy bumps. Gushy bumps.
Kushipha.
Hayi man mana ke Sengwayo. Yabona ke leli gama lishoyo leli ngathi khona la ngilazela khona.
Gush bumps, yes.
Bam gush. Bam shake your bum. Ha. Bam shake your bum. Ngiyayikhumbula lelo khuzana lengoma. Khona umculi bathi bani uze eksibantwini. Wathi kena wathi bam shake your bum. Bam. Ukwedelelile ukubize ngalokho ke manje. Sekwedelele kakhulu ubize ngoma. Mana Sengwayo mana. Mana Sengwayo.
Zozani?
Lalela ke Sengwayo.
Mandera.
Mfana kahle kunento engifuna ukuyibona lapha.
Mandera.
Kanaka Sengwayo.
Mandera. Freedom Charter.
Sengwayo.
Charter.
Uyabona? Usibonile. Ngathi lesi esinamashashaza impela. Shaya Sengwayo. Ngisho lento.
Hayi.